Welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today I thought let me make a video about market sell-off right here today, right? As you can see right here. So point here is market has a variety of cycle, folks, and we all need to learn. And I thought let me make a video because I could make a video today, and I thought let me, I had a killing day right today. Today was an excellent day. Just to, but I don't want to go get into the the trade right now. It's far better to, learn what market did today. All right, so let's understand. Do you guys remember when Russia attacked Ukraine? Right here. You see this green candle? 23rd February, market was closed right here, 420 right here, and pre-market market went down 9 points. SPY went down 9 points. How much market today went down? 6 points, right? That pre-market, after hours market was down 9 handles on SPY that time. Everybody thought market will open in the morning and we're gonna go another 15 point total, market will be down, like we all think market gonna go be like that. Guess what? Market recovered the gap and went down. Total almost 18 point market that they moved right there. Not only that, folks, market went 5 more days bullish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Market total 6 days going higher high. 6 days, folks, higher high. So what does it mean? That was the worst day than today, correct? Where market is supposed to go down, but guess what? Why? Because all the herd, all the cattles, they were all bearish, talking about Russia did this to Ukraine. I cannot speak certain words here, but because of that, market supposed to go and tank. Everybody was buying put, and market was going up for 5 days. Why? Because the herd was cornered in one direction. When they corner in one direction, market maker cannot win. If they corner, it's way easy for them to go opposite direction and rake the premium, correct? That's the business. That's what Wall Street is there to make the money off of you, not for you, folks. Even though they will tell you all the books you read, oh, we are here to provide a liquidity for the bulls and bear, correct? That's the sophisticated language being used. But reality is there's a personal agenda behind every moves market maker has. What kind of personal agenda? Market has a varieties of types of people, right? Before I get to the point, so you understand what they did that. So today, Santa Claus, right here, it's just like that Russia-Ukraine thing, same here. Everywhere social media, they talk about Santa Claus rally, including me. Just like everybody will talk Santa Claus rally. So everybody in a motion of Santa Claus, that Friday Santa Claus will come and brings the goodies, right? Lot of bulls been loaded up here, correct, at the top right here. And Friday option expiring this Friday. There are so many calls here, people buy. So if you take a look at here, 4-hour charts, let's go 30-minute chart. There's a lot of bulls here in since last week. A lot of books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? All these bulls, if they bought all the calls, even though people who bought a calls here, right here. So for example, somebody bought a call here, right? And theta decay, remember this many theta decay. So if you paid $20 calls for 2 weeks away, not 1 day, 2 days, 2 weeks away on Netflix and God knows any stock you trading, you paid $20 right now. Forget about the price went down. $20 you paid here, it would have been $40, $50, $60, $70. Now came back to $20. So you lost all the money, time decay. Plus these people compressing the price here. So the people who bought a here, all these calls in the money, out of the money, they all washed out, including intraday, right? And this is the called the rug pulled. That's what happens, folks. Just like what happened with the Russia-Ukraine situation, similar situation, that event happened, and this is what market maker did this right here. So all the herd were waiting for the Santa Claus rally. Now what happened is they put you in the water and keep the pressure on you until you get exhausted. How long time you have? A day or two, correct? Thursday and Friday. Today is Wednesday, right? And now 2 more days left, and then all the option will be get squeezed. Everybody gonna lose money. All the bulls will be losing money, and then most of the 401ks and all, they don't buy option. Folks like us, weeklies and their daily options, they just Apple goes $5 down, $4 down, Microsoft goes $10 down, $5 down, and next week they can bring it back, right? So they don't lose. Their Santa Claus rally will be great. They will have a party, Christmas party. But the people who are retailer who buying option weekly, daily, without proper knowledge, they could lose money. And that's what exactly happening. So every dog has a day. The people who trade intraday, right here, intraday, market has a variety of cycle going up and up and up. They make you look bullish. Even I was bullish, solid bullish. Look at that, going higher high. Look at that, higher high. Do you see anywhere sloping resistance? Nope, not a single one. So then I'm not gonna be a bearish, I'm gonna be bullish, correct? Absolutely. Then I saw this lower low. I was in call, right? This bounce, and I announced that I'm gonna exit when this happened, and I took a loss right here, folks. And I announced there's a game gonna go through. Watch.
If this breaks, then they want to go higher. Until then, it's just head and shoulder.
Head and shoulder bearish. Remember? And I'm getting into calls.
Why? Because MACD in a bear territory. Look at that.
Look at that, head and shoulder.
They pull it and then they go fast. All these people are holding the hope that it's gonna go. Why bulls are giving up? Look at the cloud.
I was in the middle of my lunch. So
I like this green, but
deceptive.
I need a candle stacking. You can fool me. One green candle, no. I need a candle stacking. And then I believe.
So you heard what I said. They're trying to fool me, right? And that's what I said is gonna happen like that. And they're gonna go and break because the MACD was bearish and they want to go lower. And I announced at 412 also. Look at that, folks, here. You see this? Sloping resistance. I'm exiting my call position. I had a 30 contract, folks. Look at the sloping resistance broke. Major one right here.
Man, this is a dirty game.
I was eating my lunch. Right? That's why.
Everything turned bullish and they made it lower low, folks. Okay, right there.
That's the first lower low.
Lower low.
And announced. So people who took my classes, they would understand what does it mean all these things happening, right? That's why I came back and I said, hey folks, I'm in the middle of my lunch and I said lower low and I'm about to exit my positions. Watch, took a loss. How early I took my loss on a call, even though I had a profit a little bit.
I have a doubt.
I have doubt that they're not gonna go higher, they're gonna go lower because this support is these people, they are holding hope, this is gonna go up, and I say I have a doubt they're gonna go lower because the other side chart, it says that sloping support was broken.
Okay.
You see this? This is broken. Right here, this is broken. That's where we are right now. You see that? I'm gonna a little fast forward.
30. You see this sloping?
You heard?
$2,200 loss.
I took a $2,200 loss right here on my call, folks. Call.
Feeling dirty game. You see this sloping support breaking.
You see that? Major.
Lower low. Support is here.
So you see this sloping resistance building. You have to understand the class what I give you. Sloping, major sloping support broken. Cloud already broke right here. Bounce, rejection, lower low. I announced that, hey, market wants to go lower.
Games are getting played.
Games are getting played now.
I had a size, that's why I got to exit.
All right. Then I went on my lunch, but I'm gonna play a little bit. Another one, something like here, which is it 15 right here. Let me little fast forward.
Do this.
Watch what I said.
And that's bad. All these tons of bulls are here. You see this?
Sorry my voice, but you see all these tons of bulls are here since morning, and they were trying to bounce, and they took a rejection right there. And how early I exit, look at that. And now check that out.
So this, imagine, and then spend some time out here, burn all the bulls.
Burn all the bulls. Right, that's the game I figured they would do.
I would love to short it, but it's okay.
I would love to short it, but it's okay. I'm not gonna short right now, but that's okay. Point here is, let's forward.
I don't play with the hope. I take a loss and move out. If I would have held on to it, look at that. What would happen? This point A to point B telling you what they're doing.
So you see that? That's what I said. They want to go lower.
Let me focus here now. Tons of, look at the cycle market has, look at this, how many ugly cycle, a lot of Christmas trees right here. You see this?
Okay, anyway, point here is, folks, I do, I did take a lot of trade today. It has a lot of fun. This $2 call right here, $2 put, I bought it right here. That went to $70 for us. I took already profit, but if that trade went to $70 put, which is right here. Look at that, this right here, which I made $7,000 on that put, right? But this is the, I was playing scalping quickly, but my best trade was the long side one, folks. Okay, I had a great long side, but I had to go through this one right here when I bought this one and I printed this. That gives me, folks, almost $50,000, folks. I printed that one. I'll show you that trade was the best trade I had to go through a lot of pain, not easy one, but that was the best one. I'll show you. But if somebody tried to copy my trade, folks, remember, if you try to copy my trade, so this trade I took, not this one was the this is today. But these are all morning ones. Sorry, my bad, folks. Okay, I'm going in the wrong direction. Let me see right here. Okay. I don't know how far I need to go, folks. This computer is, let me show you this way. I just want to show you something so you can understand the trade I took. This one right here. You see this? I took this trade. Call right here. See this? This is the call. 100 contract 235. This went to $85, folks. This trade went to 85 cents. It went to 70 cents. And I was holding my call. Remember, folks, call at 259. Right here on this. Right here at the bottom I bought. And then market went up. I didn't sell. It pulled back. And then I was losing. Actually, on this candle I bought. Then we came back. I lost money because of the time expiry, but I didn't book my loss holding. And then look at that. At 310, I double my size, 85 cents, same contract, double my size, and look at the 240% profit on it. Double my size, $41,000 profit right there. And the previous trade, it went inside the trade and it became 290, but same trade I bought it at 85 cents, and that's how I did. But look at the call side, folks. Market was selling. How did you make the money here, call side? Because the market was bullish, sloping support creating. So I add here double my size. So you understand, if somebody copy my trade and holding hope that Josh bought a calls and Josh are gonna go to the moon market and holding the hope, but I'm playing only my cycle. I was playing like this. My target was somewhere around this here, but when I see this rejection coming in, I'm gonna take my money and run because I had a size. And look at that, $50,000 profit. right here, this trade, folks, right here, this trade. But I use my power and the length. But if somebody copy my trade, it's dangerous. That's why I keep telling folks, disclaimer, don't use my copy. If you copy my trade, how would you know what is in my mind, when am I gonna exit, correct, what I'm gonna doing, even though bear cycle, folks. So I did play put side also. Look at that. The previously trade was the when I made that previous, you can go and look at all the trades, right? I made the money. Point here is, all you need to learn the things, folks. There is a psychology, there is a setup, there are so many things apply, so many versatility you need to apply to it, right? And this is how market maker. So remember, I keep saying the bottom line, we all need to understand. Every day lot of day traders. So market maker, they created track for everybody, right? There is an intraday. Why do market swing like this intraday, so many swings? Because there are so many day traders. They also make profit, they may lose money too. So every day they give a treatment to the intraday traders. Then there is a swing traders, those who take an option weekly, they also get a treatment. Monthly also, monthly option buyer, they also get a treatment. Everybody get a treatment. Some people buy, somebody books the profit at some point of time. Somebody doesn't book the profit. It's a could have, would have, should have, is a wrong, different story. But point here is, those who book the profit, those who think of that, oh man, I wish I could have hold on to this, it would have been this, and then try to hold on to next time, you're gonna ruin the whole account, correct? Similar. So point here is, those who are bullish, like today, lot of bulls, right? They watched all the intraday bulls. Same thing, the people who are holding the hope from 10 days, they also lost. So there is every dog has a day, there's a turn. Intraday has a everyday turn. The people who buy, the people who think I'm gonna buy weekly options, they also have a turn, because they are riding on a bicycle. Remember, they can make money. Intraday guy can make money fast, because the speed of option class applies, folks. Okay, you have to understand. The dummies will not understand all these things. The people who think they already know option, and they think they want to trade whatever way they want to do, and they keep losing money, I cannot help them. But the people who understand these things, it's all about, it's not 0 DTE, it's not 1 DTE, it's not a 10, 2 weeks. It's everybody has a day, but you need to understand, everybody is losing money trading option. Why? Because they are holding hopes. They are bulls or they are bears. You can be bulls, you cannot be bear. You got to treat your mind properly and trade what you see. That is how things are, folks. So the people who took a technical fundamental class, they understand the cycle. You need to understand the cycle and trade accordingly. If you are trading long term, no problem. But you want to jump in, you are looking at that long cycle and trading intraday, no good, because cycles are different. So people lose money. So today I could have made nice, beautiful video that, hey, I made this. Instead of that, folks, we all need to learn what track are you riding your vehicle on. What kind of vehicle are you riding on? Are you riding on bicycle? Are you riding on elephant? Are you riding on jet plane? Are you riding on a Ferrari? Based on that, you can reach to your destination. Okay, you can't just reach to your destination riding on a bicycle, or you cannot just ride a jet plane because you don't know how to ride, because there are so many, so many risk involvement, right? Exactly. So that's how things are, folks. Okay, so option is the part of the game. You need to understand. Doesn't matter you buy 0 DT, 1 DT, 5 DTs, right? When 0 DT someday prints, someday you don't print. Like the other guy who bought a calls here, right here at the bottom, and he exited here, and he printed $1.2 million from $10,000. He put a $1.2 million. Correct? Great. If I would have hold on to this my this one put, right, the $2.40 one for 24,000, that put would have been $700,000 $700,000 in 2 hours, right? It could have, would have, should have, but this is 1.5 month process, this is 2 hours process. So which one is better? This is far better, right, in 2 hours. But again, it's could have, would have, should have, right? So that's why I don't care about that. I care about what I got in my pocket. That's how things are. But we all need to learn. Every track you need to master. That's what I would say. Doesn't matter. It's a 1 DT, 5 DT, 7 DT. The money process The vehicle you are riding is different. All right, so that's what I wanted to explain you folks. So join the community, learn folks. All right, go easy, learn, because there's always a rug pull on and off happens. For every dog has a treatment, bulls and bears and different cycles and market go through. So hope we all learn out of that. All right, so folks, if you are new joining the community, join Top Trading Edge folks. I'm every day live here.
Top Trading Edge folks, let's take a look at the market condition.
Sorry, right here, you know, I every day go live. You can join the community right here folks. Okay, and this is the community. There's a description, has a link. You can join the WhatsApp group also. Click on more and you can join. All right, so guys, see you every day. I go live morning 9:30 to 4. See you tomorrow. Thanks, bye.